Well, hi there. We're going to take a look at lesson 58. This is a pretty short lesson, so it won't take too long, but you do need to write down the examples and make sure that you know what these things mean, because it will come up later. Lesson 58 deals with symmetry, and the definition of symmetry is when a shape can be divided so that each half is a mirror image of the other half, which means that both halves are exactly identical when you fold it or divide it. Today we're going to talk specifically about reflective symmetry, and reflective symmetry is if a shape can be divided so that it is folded or a line of symmetry is drawn that the two parts mirror each other. Line symmetry, and we're going to look at some lines of symmetry, specifically reflective and symmetrical. Okay, now I've got actually four different shapes here. This first shape is a rectangle, and if you look at a rectangle has four corners that have right angles, and it has two lines of symmetry, meaning that if you were to fold a rectangle on itself, you could fold it this way and it would be exactly the same on both sides, and you could fold it this way and it would be exactly the same on both sides. So we would say that a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Looking here, we have a triangle. Now this is a specific type of triangle. It's an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle only has one line of symmetry. These sides, this side and this side, are the same length, and if you draw a line straight down on the middle, a 90-degree angle to the base, you could fold this triangle so that it was exactly the same on both sides, and it has just one line of symmetry. Okay, I have a right triangle, okay, and this right triangle, if it has, and it can be set either way, this in particular, if it's set this way, okay, it has one line of symmetry from here to here, okay, and then this particular right triangle was made out of a regular triangle that looked like this, and you can fold that in half and have one line of symmetry as well. The last one I want to show you is a square. Now square is kind of cool because it has four lines of symmetry. And if you look at the example, and be sure, like I said, be sure you draw these into your notes. Here is a larger picture of a square, and if you look, and I know you know this, but all four corners are 90 degrees. I can fold this square in half. I can fold this square in half this way. Every time I'm making mirror images. I can fold this square on the diagonal, and I'm making mirror images. I can fold this square on the other diagonal, and I'm making mirror images on both sides. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. It's important to note and to put into your notes that a regular quadrilateral does have 4 lines of symmetry, and a regular quadrilateral is one that all 4 sides are the same length and all 4 angles are exactly the same, which is a perfect description of a square. Okay, thanks a lot. I hope you understood this, and I hope you have a great day.